Guys, my name's Seth Fenby, and we're going to do a versatile inspection by video on this John Deere 200LC. The batteries are a little bit dead, so we're not going to start it up from a dead start, but we are going to run and operate the machine, and then we'll inspect the major components. Okay guys, now we're going to walk around and take a look at the major components. The undercarriage is in pretty good shape. The pins are a little bit stiff, but they should loosen up. I mean, they're not in bad shape. The pins are in good shape. The pads are in good shape. Idlers, rollers and everything are nice. Sprockets are good. The sheet metal's in really nice shape. There are some scratches on the back, but as far as any large gouges or anything, there's nothing too bad. Decals are scratched a little bit. Here's the other side of the undercarriage. Both sides are in the same condition. Let's see right here. Stick and the boom are in nice shape. Some oil seeping from that cylinder. There's no cracks or welds on the stick of the boom. The bucket's in nice shape. The pins are tight, and the pins here are tight. The pins up there are tight. The turntable's in pretty good condition. There's no fighting that. The cab and everything's nice. All the glass is in there. The seat is torn up here, you can see, but it works fine. Here's your hour meter, console and everything. All the controls work well. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or call me. Thank you.